Greetings, YouTube friends. It's Annie from Indieconomy, and today I want to announce the first Indieconomy Press product to come out, which is this book, Estate Sale DIY: How to Run Your Own Estate Sale Instead of Paying Someone Else to Do It. Despite me sitting here holding this book next to my head, I am not trying to sell it to you. I am telling you for a different reason. So the reason I'm not trying to sell it to you is because you're not really the audience if you are who I think you are. I think that the people who watch my channel are resellers and people interested in historic ephemera and old buttons and stuff that we talk about. Entrepreneurs running their own business, blah, 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 blah. And this book is for people who don't know about that stuff really at all and are downsizing or helping their parents move into care and selling things that they own, or dealing with a divorce or some other legal issue that requires them to sell assets, or just embracing minimalism and selling everything they own and getting an RV and traveling the country, or just simplifying life to have less stuff. And so this is about how you can sell stuff in general. Like, you can have an estate sale, and that's the gist of it, but you can also sell on eBay and other places online, which you know about because that's who we are, right? So this book is not for you, but I wanted to tell you about it because I know that when people I follow or friends finish projects, it's really exciting because it inspires me to finish my projects. And that's something that I am historically not that good at. I have ideas and I have to-do lists, and I actually do all the hard work. Like, I'll write a big long thing, or I'll do whatever the project is, but then I'll just come short of launching it and marketing it. And it's something I think is not a good quality. And so I've been working really hard to try to fix that and to actually finish projects and then also tell people about them, which has been something that I have blown off a bit in the past. So I just wanted to tell you that I finished a project, and I'm working on the follow through now, which is the part I'm really bad at, like marketing and telling people and asking them to buy it, though I'm not asking you to buy it. So yeah, if you're working on a project and you are hemming and hawing, stop and finish it. That's more tough love than I could probably take, but Anyway, so this book is available on Amazon as a paperback and a Kindle, and also it has its own website, estatesalediy.com, where you can have me ship it to you directly, or also get some other stuff. And I mention these things because it would seem weird not because I'm trying to ask you to buy my book. It's not some weird reverse psychology thing, really. But if you do know anyone who would be interested, feel free to tell them. And if you do know anyone who would be good for me to work with on marketing, do tell me and them. I'd love to find other YouTubers or people on Instagram or Facebook groups or whatever, wherever, for whom this would be a relevant book and who have audiences who need this kind of information. Thinking sort of baby boomer demographic, and people dealing with their parents aging, people in the sort of simple living and minimalist milieu, Even like finance blogs, that kind of thing, where people are dealing with selling stuff and having more money than stuff, that sort of thing. Even like mommy blogger type situations, or I don't know, anything kind of lifestyle, where how to run your own estate sale and sell things you own online as well might be relevant. So if you know anyone I should work with to market, do let me know. That would be awesome. Other than that, just if you're working on a project, just take that final step and put it out there. If I can do it, and I am very bad at that, you can do it. So that's the point. Thank you and take care.